Hey, Ideaplex creators, have you ever wished for a video editing tool that's as easy as pie but packed with powerful features? Well, meet FlexClip, the AI-powered video editor that claims to revolutionize how we create videos. Ever struggled to create professional quality videos without spending hours learning complex editing software? Or maybe you wanted to design a polished video for your business or social media but didn't know where to start? In this video, I'm diving into everything you need to know about FlexClip, from its key features to my honest thoughts after trying it out. Let's get started. FlexClip is a versatile online video creation and editing platform designed for users of all skill levels. It offers an intuitive interface and a variety of tools for creating professional quality videos. Users can access features like templates, stock assets, videos, photos, music, text animations, and transitions to produce marketing videos, tutorials, social media content, and more. FlexClip supports multiple formats and resolutions, making it suitable for diverse use cases from personal projects to business needs. Additionally, it provides options for free and premium plans with varying levels of access to features and assets. The best part? It's all in the cloud, so you can edit videos anytime, anywhere. Dive deep into AI image-to-image generator and see how many different styles you can choose from. Easily convert your photo to cartoon, anime, sketch, oil painting, 3D character, and more with a few clicks. AI image-to-image generator can be employed for a variety of purposes, ranging from personal artistic creation to business marketing. You can use it to create personal profile images, gaming avatars, cool selfies, stylish product photos, and more. AI will recognize the content of your image and extend it accordingly, so that you can get realistic AI outpainting results that maintain the context of your image. No matter what kind of image you want to expand on, the generated part will be harmonious with the source image. Reform your image into landscape, portrait, square, and any other ratios without cropping the essential parts. Now you can post favorite images on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and more platforms with the best visual impact. Are you looking for a photo eraser to help you remove person from a photo? That's FlexClip. Whether you want to remove strangers or passers-by in your photo to get a cleaner result, or remove people from landscapes, architecture, and travel photos to enjoy the specific beauty of a scene, AI object remover will help a lot. Text, logos, watermarks, or stickers on the image may be outdated and can disrupt the visual effect. Eliminating these elements can make when you log in, the first thing you notice is the simplicity. FlexClip's interface is user-friendly, with everything neatly laid out. You've got your templates, stock media, and editing tools just a click away. Whether you're a first-timer or a pro, navigating this platform is a breeze. One of FlexClip's standout features is its library of customizable templates. Whether you're creating a social media ad, a birthday slideshow, or a YouTube intro, there's a template for that. And they're so easy to tweak. Just swap out text, upload your media, and boom, you're done. Let me show you how quick and easy it is to create a video. I'm using their AI text-to-video tool with a simple script. In just 3 steps, choosing a template, customizing the text, and adding a few transitions, I have a polished video ready to go. Let's talk about the built-in stock library. FlexClip offers tons of royalty-free videos, photos, and music. No more hunting down assets from multiple websites. Everything you need is right here. Other handy tools include text animations, transitions, and even voiceover features. Plus, the real-time preview lets you see your edits instantly. So why should you consider FlexClip? For starters, it saves you time. With its ready-to-use templates and drag-and-drop tools, you can create videos in minutes, not hours. And it's budget-friendly. Instead of spending big bucks on professional editors, you get pro-quality results for a fraction of the cost. The AI video generator will extract keywords from your prompt and automatically match stock photos and videos. If you are not fully satisfied with the result, load more media to replace. Make your YouTube video exactly as you want it to be. Easily clip a YouTube, adjust texts, styles and effects, transitions, speed, and more, and render a professional look that no other video compares. Get access to millions of stock footage, images and music, craft them into engaging video stories and movies, along with clips you upload, and get a result that's up to the industry level. Videos on social media platforms generate more likes and shares than images and text combined.
Are you ready to elevate your brand's online presence? Our social media marketing services are designed to engage and grow your audience. Connect with your customers where they spend the most time on social media. From strategy development to content creation, we've got you covered. Stand out in a crowded marketplace with eye-catching visuals and compelling messaging. Our expert team uses data-driven strategies to maximize your ROI. We create tailor-made campaigns that reflect your brand's unique voice. Let us take the reins on social media so you can focus on what you do best. Watch your brand grow and thrive with our ongoing support and expertise. Join countless satisfied clients who have transformed their social media presence. Ready to get started?
FlexClip's text-to-video tool helps you convert written text into video content from text prompts or page URLs. Moreover, there are 2 generation modes available with which AI will summarize your content or excerpt original content to generate videos. You have full control over the generated video, easily add text-to-speech voiceover, auto subtitles, overlays, transitions, and more if required. The generated video is automatically subtitled. To enhance accessibility of the video content, we also offer text-to-speech tool that includes 400 plus voices across 140 plus languages to convert subtitles into natural-sounding narration with one click. AI Art Generator offers remarkable convenience for content creators across various fields, helping bloggers, social media influencers, website owners, educators, marketers, and even small business shopkeepers quickly generate high-quality images tailored to their needs. AI Script Generator can analyze the prompt and use natural language processing algorithms to create a script that meets your needs. Whether you want to create a script for a promo video, business presentation, or storytelling podcast, you've got covered. One thing to note is that while FlexClip is great for basic editing, it might not have enough advanced features for professionals looking for full-scale video production. Instead of spending big bucks on professional editors, you get pro-quality results for a fraction of the cost. So, is FlexClip worth it? If you're looking for an easy, affordable, and efficient way to create stunning videos, absolutely. It's perfect for beginners and anyone who wants to save time without sacrificing quality. And the best part, you can try it for free and see for yourself. Speaking of price, FlexClip starts at just $11.99 a month with a free plan to get you started. Plus, it's cloud-based, so you can edit on the go, whether you're on a laptop or a tablet. I've included a link in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. And while you're here, let me know in the comments if you've used FlexClip or have any questions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.